Hello everybody. Welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to edit ID card on Canva. Are you looking to design an ID card for an upcoming company event, a club membership, or perhaps a personal project? The process can seem daunting, but with Canva, it's a breeze. In today's digital world, having a unique and professionally designed ID card can make a big difference. Canva offers a user-friendly platform that allows you to create stunning ID cards in no time. Whether you're a beginner or have some design experience, this tutorial will guide you through each step, ensuring you can create an ID card that stands out and meets your needs. All right, let's get started with this easy and fun process. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Canva. If you haven't already signed up for a Canva account, don't worry, it's free and quick to do. Once logged in and on the homepage, direct your attention to the search bar located at the top. Type in ID card to access a wide variety of templates specifically designed for ID card creation. Each template is unique and caters to different requirements, offering a spectrum of styles from sleek and professional to vibrant and artistic. Take a moment to browse through these templates. Consider what fits your project best. Is it for a professional setting or something more creative? Once you find a template that aligns with your vision, click on it to view a larger preview and additional details. This detail page will provide you with a clearer idea of how the design will look once completed. Now, you're ready to customize. Look for the Customize this template button and click it. This action will open up the Canva editor, which is where all the magic happens. In this space, you have complete control over the design elements of your ID card. Start by modifying the text to include all necessary details. Simply click on any text box and begin typing. You can adjust the font style, size, and color to match your brand identity or personal preference. For example, if you want a more formal look, a classic serif font might work best, whereas a modern sans serif font might suit a creative endeavor. Next, let's personalize the imagery on your ID card. If the chosen template includes a photo placeholder, click on it to either upload an image from your computer or select one from Canva's extensive library of images. To replace an image, just drag your chosen picture into the placeholder, and it will automatically conform to the designated space. This ensures a seamless and professional look. Beyond basic text and image edits, explore additional customization options. You can tweak layouts, change background colors, and even add new elements like lines, shapes, or icons. These enhancements not only make your ID card functional, but also visually appealing, aligning with the theme of your brand or event. Once you're happy with the final design, it's time to save and download your masterpiece. Click on the Share button located at the top right corner of the editor. From here, select Download and choose the file format that best suits your needs. Whether it's PNG for high-quality images, JPEG for versatile use, or PDF for professional printing, Canva has you covered. With your file downloaded, your customized ID card is ready to be printed and put to use. Editing ID cards on Canva is not just simple. It's a creative journey that offers endless possibilities to craft something unique and professional. Hopefully, this tutorial helped you understand how to edit ID card on Canva quickly and easily. For more helpful guides like how to edit ID card on Canva, be sure to subscribe to PMN Online.